Okay, back to my Mitutoyo, and I can see here that there's some slack in that gear because the shaft is spinning with the arm here, and that's fine with me. That's not a problem as long as uh, the whole gauge isn't moving. But now we got it working. Bezel's back on. Boy, oh boy, I'm excited. Look at that. And if we, yeah, so if we turn the dial just a little bit, there's no, our adjustment worked. How's that? Man, oh man. And the needle seems to be a little tweaked, but that's no problem. Got my bezel back on, like I said. It's, I don't know, still a little crunchy. I didn't want to put grease in there. I didn't want to, you know, but it's not a bicycle wheel. It's something you just turn to whatever, and that's fine. It's fine. And the operation is smooth. And if you watch those other videos, you'll see the inner workings of it and how to take it apart. What I did to take that backlash out of the needle from the movement. Before there was movement, and there was movement, but the dial wouldn't move. Backlash, right? I guess. But that's gone now. So anytime I'm engaged for it to move, the needle moves. Beautiful. It's I can't ask for better. I was worried there for a minute because I only paid $60 for the thing, which is a heck of a deal. But some of the shaft was like pitted, corroded. I don't know. I just ran a razor blade over it, and it got off everything. It doesn't feel smooth, but it's nothing that interferes with the drive and the way this slides up on it. It's all good. I did have a couple of spots, like I mentioned here, somewhere right here. There we go. And that there, and I had to sand that down a little bit because it was a little piece sticking out. The mechanism, the gauge, whatever you want to call that part, wouldn't go past it. There was another one somewhere down here, and I don't know. I can get a finer sandpaper and polish those little parts out if it matters, But that's the gauge, guys. Get to fixing yours.